Hello. What you're looking here is the chart, the graph of KSE. Watch the mouse. KSE, Karachi Stock Exchange 100, which represents the best 100 companies of Pakistan. And let's come over here. Watch the mouse. Around May 9th, there was a conflict between Pakistan and India. Therefore, the Pakistani stock market was down. That's the reason there's a dip over here. And then there was some kind of settlement or end of the war between Pakistan and India. And the KSE 100 was at the lowest in this time, was close to 107,174 and 63 paisa, Pakistani rupees, okay? And since the conflict ended, the index started going up, as you can see by this curve. Now again, somewhere over here, which is probably the middle of June, there was a conflict between Iran and Israel. Therefore, the shipment of the products from Pakistan to Europe and America was kind of disrupted. As a result, it came down again. So that's the reason the dip you see over here. As soon as the conflict between Israel and Iran kind of calmed down, the index, which is right on the left-hand side, Karachi Stock Exchange 100, KSE 100, started going up. And if you watch where the mouse is, this date is about mentioned right over here, August 6th. Look on the left-hand side, right over here, August 6, 25. And the index went from 107,000 rupees to 145,000 rupees. And on this particular day, which is August 6th, I mentioned right over here, watch the mouse. The KSE could reach PKR 200,000 rupees, meaning 2 lakh rupees, by May of 2026. This was August 6th. Okay, that's what is going on. If you had bought the stock around this time, which is May 9th, 25, and sold it on this particular day, which is August 6th, you would have made a profit of close to 38,000 rupees Pakistan, which is close to 36%, 35%, things like that, okay? Now today is the August, let's look at August 18th, 2025. Let's look at the second chart, which is today's chart. And here we go. Now the second chart, let me bring it down a little bit here. And the same chart, which for KSE 100, which is right over here, you can look on the left, look on the right-hand side. And it has gone up to, look at the date over here, August 18, right over here. It is now 148,000 rupees, 108,000, I'm sorry, 148, 196.42 rupees Pakistan. On this day, which is today, there is a profit of 1,700 rupees. So let's move it to the right, slightly to the right-hand side, and then look at both of them. What I mentioned on the 6th of August and what has happened on through the August 19, the same index has gone up by 3,000 rupees. So it is moving, watch here, 148, 196, and I'm mentioning over here 200,000. It's getting closer. So we are off by 52,000 rupees. Chances are fairly high, and I'm saying fairly high. Nobody can predict, but chances are fairly high that within now this says May of 26, which is next year, about 8, 9 months, 10 months to go. Chances are extremely high that KSE will reach and probably cross 200,000 rupees. It is also possible that the KSE could reach within this year. By December, it can go up to 200,000 rupees, but that will be too aggressive to think. But you never know. You never know. So in my opinion, still, it's not bad to buy it, and it will shoot up. Have patience. Chances are fairly high. There's no guarantee, but chances are fairly high. It'll cross 2 lakh rupees, 200,000 rupees by May of the next year. So in the stock market, you have to have a lot of patience. Okay. So I'm not guaranteeing this, but I am trying to mention it is possible. It can happen. As you can see, it is progressing. I mentioned on the 6th, it is 145. It can reach up to 200. Today it is within 2 weeks. It's almost 13 days. It has gone up by 3,000 rupees. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So you invest and it's going to go up slowly. So you become wealthy, very, very rich by investing in the stock market. So I will advise you to invest in the Pakistan stock market, PSX. Here it says, right, look on the left side, right over here, top left side, PSX. This is the company PSX that handles all the publicly traded stocks of Pakistan. And you can see that at the top right over here, watch the mouse, the index have gone up on the 6th of August, and actually the same thing is true. Majority of them seem to be going up again. So invest if you want to be rich in the stock market of Pakistan. With this, I'm going to stop recording, and here we go.